This video is going to be on how to activate and use hand warmers. It's going to be a review of the Elixir Sports 14-hour heat pack. Now this thing is supposed to get up to 158 degrees. It is activated by air from what they say, and it is a pocket disposable hand warming glove. Right now in Los Angeles, it is 54 degrees outside. For LA, that is freezing. So I'm going to be putting these things on, and I'm going to test them out, and then I'm going to give you my opinion. So let's open up the package first, see what's in here. The instructions don't tell you how to use this, but what you're supposed to do is you take it out of the package and this is a chemically activated type heat warmer, so you want to shake it around, move it around, get the chemicals inside the container. Ooh, I'm starting to feel some warmth now. The instructions are in Japanese, so that is not going to help you if you're in the US, but this is how you activate these hand warmers. Move it around a little bit. Okay, so it's activating right now. And the idea behind this is after you get this activated, you can put this in your gloves. And once they're in your gloves, and you put your gloves on, obviously, ooh, it's starting to warm up. And it will keep your hands warm while you are wearing the gloves. Now, I'm going to be trying out something else. I'm going to see how this works on sore muscles, because this could also be very handy instead of using a heating pack if you have sore muscles. So let me come back in a couple minutes and let you know how warm this thing is and what it feels like. Make sure that you move this around to activate everything that's inside the bag. It's getting much warmer now. It does take some time. These are air activated, so you really don't have to shake it around, but you can make it heat up faster by shaking it. We're at 110 degrees now after about 5 or 10 minutes, and it is starting to get very warm to the touch. These things can burn you, so you really need to be careful about hand contact. 158 degrees is definitely warm. It feels good. Now, I'm going to go outside, test this thing out, and then I'm going to come back in, and I'm going to show you how you can extend the life of these things. This is a 14-hour heat pack, and they are activated by air. So if you're able to get this away from the air, then the activation will shut off. Even though it's 14 hours, you should be able to extend the life of that. I'm going to go out right now, walk the dog. She is patiently waiting for me. And then I'll come back and let you know what it feels like to use this in 54-degree temperature in Los Angeles. After about 17 minutes, we're at 118 degrees. Here we are. I just got back from the walk. Let me show you what I did. I put the pack inside my jacket, in my pocket, in my shirt pocket. I've got to tell you, this has been the best walk I've done in a long time. We're having frost advisories outside right now. It is cold out there. This thing sitting in, oh, that feels so good. The warmth in my pocket is still there. Having this thing was incredible. I am boiling right now from taking that walk because I feel so warm and comfortable. So yeah, I totally recommend this product. Let's go see what the temperature is on this thing. The highest temperature that this got to was about 122 degrees, which for me is more than enough. I was able to keep it in my shirt pocket. I tried putting it in my hand glove to see how that worked. That worked good. You could, even though you're not supposed to put this on direct skin, it is warm enough and comfortable enough where you could use this as a heating pad. If you need to, put a towel between you and the skin and use this for sore muscles. Just use caution so that you don't burn yourself. So this is a great product, and 5 stars, totally very happy with this. Again, this is the Elixir Sports 14-hour heat pack.